For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy nil. Umdlalo we-Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates moved to third kwi-log standings ze-Betway Premiership. Benibukele no-Junior umdlalo. Junior kunjani?
Shane mabrada kunjani mfethu?
I'm okay, my brother.
Ngibulisa uJustice. Incosi kaTho. Ngiphethe
Media officer le, huh?
fana no direct. Ngibulisa uNkululeko mabrada. Ngibulise le yamulindo phepho.
Yeah.
Ngibulise Bobzin. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. Out to shine Pirates ezandla mfethu. Yeah, namhlanje ngicela ukuyishayela ezandla mina personally. Yeah, well done to the coach for ukurela kuma attacker. Yabona mina I know kunalento bayibiza nge-so-called modern football, which is football for me. It's a weight, just igama elitshintshile. Football hasn't changed for me, Shane. Pirate like ma attacker, which is bebadlala ngama-winger. Well done ukuthi badlalise i-player leli lo mfana Sevalo Mremi on the left hand side. Yabo bamdlalise on the left hand side. I think bamdlalise to his best position today. Bamdlala on the space. I think he playing ngamelanga udlala enyaweni ibhola, amele udlala on the space. Well done for that. It compliment the coach for also to tell his back foot to stay. Phela abadlala ne-team structured sikhuluma nge-TS Galaxy. I would say compliment the team. Labantu laba when in terms of the structure and the scouting. Another team efana nabo Stellenbosch le. They hardly make mistake of signing players. Talent identification labantu laba bazobashayela izandla. This boy, ngicela sim credit. I know uma losing side abantu abakubonde uDichejane. Wonderful player lo mfana, energetic, very skillful for me. Iskill akusukuthi ume phezulu kwebhola ugibele. The boy always thinking going forward. He creates so many chances for his team. Uphethe intelligence umfana ne-energy. And ama skillful player ababalance, they don't have a rare ukuthi uthole talented play petty character. Lo mfana has got a strong character. Each and every game he raises hands ku TS Galaxy. It just ethi ngicale nge-TS Galaxy we ba preach game ngakhona. They are themselves to blame, especially coach who defended too deep. Allow Pirates to build up. We ask ukuthi Pirates they rely on these two center back, left and right, Mbogazi no Siema. Engalama long pass. If you allow them to have the ball and then bazokuhetha. Because they can find Umremi, they can find also Sibelebele. Pirates been about 3v2 abaningi ngikhuluma nga first half. So many 3v2, 4v2 decision making Sibelebele I think let Pirates down. Umfana need to improve decision making yakhe. He has to improve that because he can decide once you throw the game mababuyela back video analysts they check decision making. Umfana get so many because Pirates true. Also tactically need to speak to banga full I win. They need to speak to Evident Makhupa. I need to stay on the box. Evident akoni velile manje. Evidence I mean to say. Now Mabasu ngenile on the box. Not you don't have to run too much. Just find yourself there. In the history making lento le you like it on a TS Galaxy Paris 2, TS Galaxy 0. Mabasu scored. History, he will stay the name there. They will never judge you based on how kichimaganga kanani ground in the boy tactical need to bana bakhulume nayo evident bena hlale boxing simple. We want him to be there and if it doesn't create make runs there being calm and play with the team or assist or score a goal once you find a chance. But I think the Pirates first half wonderful. I need to give credit. By 25 minutes for me, Pirates created so many chances. And I think well done to the coach also the game approaching Kulmangwatu. Sometimes you don't have to play a player Zokata in. Play first time. And well done to Mremi Mfana. I think Mfana keep on proving me. I need to admit that. Well done to the guy. But Sibelebele, I think, not first half, not much. And also, let me compliment Orlando Pirates by playing with 1-6.
I was coming there, Junior, because I think we were in the second half because we already wrapped up the first half. Coach Wadu came into this game, played two defensive midfielders, but namhlanje decided to stick with Tunduli. He played with Namtachela, namhlanje Drele as a double 10 if the Fudegakse game. What do you think was the idea behind Londo Junior?
Yeah, Pirates and Chiefs, Sundowns, mele badlale nge-defensive midfield eyi-one. I know le nto le abantu i-debation, it's a game of opinion. Anyway, i-opinion yomuntu, I believe ukuthi i-right for yena. Play with one defensive midfield, but that defensive midfield kumele azi story sakhe.
Yeah.
Umuntu ekumele number one, you need to link between defense and attack. Mele siphume ngawe. Not always mele siphume ngawe. Nami ngiyakwazi ukudropa sometimes just to vary the game.
Sure.
But you need to be, mele ube a strong character. You must have a vision, a proper vision. Mele ube ne vision, mele ube mnandi, compose as well. Decision making, ungakupheniki. So i-Pirates azomthola omunye umuntu lapha. Bear in mind uzobona kwamanje I think ba-right ngoNduli, but kunamama game azodemanda more. uNduli will find someone because unenkinga ukudlala kuma-tight space for me. In this game, Pirates won. Pirates, they were dominating this game. They were supposed to score by, bekumele ngabe first half i-change nga 4 or 5. Angeke uzumbone uNduli, I'm talking about ama-weak point wakhe, but we want more from him. Want him to be involved more, ngicela abe involved more. So, well done, ithi nginike lo mfana, my man of the match today uNemtetshela. Ayalazi bho.
Yeah, he was man of the match.
Mina I'm fair to beg. Leyana ifuna isikhathi esibhayi. Iplayer kumele ungathathi isikhathi esibhayi. Shane, asifuna uthatha ibhola kabhayi. Yalazi ibhola. Start the game, uqala igame namhlanje. Started. Kubalekile uma uyi-team, well done to Pirates technical team. Sometimes when you sign a player, akumelanga ulidlalise immediately. Kubalekile ukuthi libukele, libheke how philosophy, how the team play, the culture, the identity of the team. Malangena fit like a glove. Lo mfana ukuthi bangamdlalisi bengizibuza why signing the player not playing him. And then at the right time they played, bamqalisa game today. Imbiza iPirates ipoto leli. I think bekune variation. There was a balance in the midfield. One uRelebogile Mofokeng run very skillful. We understand I can create something out of nothing. Kune point mention uLindo very dangerous phambi kwepadi. Decision making alo mfana I think ushama player maningi. Istrength alo mfana ukudlala off the ball. And leyo nto best players in the world bona bo Messi Neymar whatever. The reason they are best so expensive because bakwazi ukudlala off the ball. Lo mfana into ashama player by South Africa ngayileyo. So ku number 10 ukwazi ukurun behind the defense. Uyenzile first half. I think it's from nowhere as a dead man run. I think on the number 10, vele urile mangimbona mina school. Bekadlala ezo number 10 sometimes going wide. So vele ma we winger. A forward player can play number 10, can play left and right as well. Well done to Coach Kujai Balance. Also Nomtetshela, more of box to box. When he defends the Pirates, mobile attacker, you find him there. Ume square, it's Nduli team here. So it's not far, mangabi Pirates. Ukwazi ukhavi distance lo mfana, petty energy as well. Ukwazi ukudlala short pass, he can play long, ukwazi ukusupport ibhola. He can support behind, not also on the feet. Very skillful player, man skillful akusi dribbling wizard. Phela kusho ukuthi kumele uzudribble masithi skillful. Iphethe awareness, iphethe ukwazi nokuya amaphasi wayo. Man of the match for me, it's him. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu ngoba akusuku easy ukucala igame ku Pirates. And from the first whistle usinike lento esifunayo yabona kuzoba naba moments sikubona ukuthi awuyiphethe but is coming is going to improve lo mfana lo namhla iPirates unike enye into usibelebele just that in today's game mina ungithi down vele mina ngimthanda as a wing back umfana he must come from the wing back bamcabangele and then as a surprise now makalapha mela acabanga dile ne opponent and ibhola malifike enyaweni uthola ukuthi umfana ligcwala inyawo umfana right as a wing back you understand he must come as a wing back but udlale kahle uLibitso well done also second half coming from Orlando Pirates Shane iPirates second half I think the coach well done to him first half uthi wing back ngicela nimi ngicela ukudlala kumathe kwami ama winger wami and number 10 and also number 8 you understand and also evident not much involved well he scored the penalty sharp second half introduced I think besekadlala nga double wingers which is ama wing back besewa join lengwenya bezingena phakathi mangabona ukuthi how many chances he got
Junior yazi indaba kaHoto you can say it was one of his best games for Orlando Pirates uHoto where he was bombing forward he is in my opinion probably the fittest player in the league but sometimes decision making ukubona ukuthi umdala mhlambi yamchana but he had a great game uJohn Hoto namhlanje I think he should have just put the icing on the cake by scoring a goal or maybe an assist but mhlambi it was just one of those days where ingakhange yenzeke but he had he put in a solid shift sometimes.
Yeah, enye into dedicated ngesponsor sakhe, even if you make a mistake usaqhubekayo
Yeah.
into emncedayo ile ukuthi ngenza mistake akabheki phansi. It's got a strong character as well. So iPirates coach ithe sekunafu wing back, you need to join there. Nolubitso beseka joiner. Dangerous ngoba beseba ne number. Those people not much on the game, but they've got a better good team. I need to be honest. Technically very good. Fittest team as well. One of the fittest team in PSL. Le game bedlala nge-intensity high. Bekusho ukuthi game yasebusuku but bedlala ngebemnandi. Akusi game bebhora bemnandi mfethu. Not ukuthi i-TS Galaxy yes Pirate dominated. Phela i-TS Galaxy bedlala against one of the best team currently in South Africa, which is Orlando Pirates. Very exciting. Shane mina mangabe nenza kahle ngizomshayela izandla.
Yeah.
Mina want people to do things as right. Manenza imbomba I will tell ukuthi imbomba. Makusikele. Because true, Shane, true. What Pirates is doing now, I'm very to made a shine under because each and every position mawunga check it depth from the bench. Beko Mabasa from the bench. Who can put Mabasa on the bench in a team? Now police mele ngimshayela izandla started ku Pirates bengimdoubtana, but coming at Orlando Pirates, begi depth abanayo. Those players when they come from the bench, it's like wangaqalanga ngapho. I-30 Pirates enayo. So you always have this thing yokuthi kunama option. Each and every position ku Pirates. And well done to the players. Bekunomuntu ejela nayo Jobasho makangena. Now coach une headache. Ubeka umbule ngaphandle, ubeka unomuntu ejela. Which is umbule one of the best. I mean, umbule doesn't need somebody ukuthi baze sim praise ukuthi hayi ubani bani udlalile umbule no we
all
know
know who
umbule.
he is.
Yeah, ingwenya inkalakathi ingwenya. It just that lo mfana uphethiwe great. Anyway great akusi talent umbule nje umfana engishilo. Ama extras kuphela. Which is manje iyashaya manje as a coach. I'm not ukuthi ngiyampush umbule and stuff. As a player umbule, a coach need to learn now what do I know the coach and I think he's doing well. Mina ngimshayela izandla kwathu. Ngikhuluma nge-starting 11 reading the game, tactical approach, i-respond yakhe, yabona i-team yakhe, taking out the best out of players. Umbule, it's very difficult to player libiza kuba bafana doing very well. Also play the game, start the game, and then ufike la game ungamdlalisi. Umcale on the bench, umfana konguthi izokushaya psychological. That's why ama-player agcina enza into is wrong. It goes psychological lonto leyo. So abanye abantu angeke bayibone because Pirates won, but they need coach. I hope he speak to Mbule because iyalimaza Shane leyo nto eziyongaleyo. But Pirates deserve to win this game. It has colors not much. Even ama moment. First half it's more of last 10 minutes or 15. Bavezile they showed but badlalele kudeni Nepal. They didn't have numbers. Good defense Orlando Pirates. Good trouble Orlando Pirates. Yeah.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis, my brother. Orlando Stadium namhlanje it's where umdlalo obukhona. Umdlalo oqala nowokugqibela wanamhlanje be only one game ye-Betway Premiership. There's also another game tomorrow. Only one ngomso with Kaizer Chiefs. They will be welcoming Amazulu FNB Stadium. That's the only game of the day Nangom. So then sizabuya again weekend for Carling Knockout Cup where there's so many fixtures, so many interesting fixtures. There's a big fixture in Cape Town where Stellenbosch will be playing against Kaizer Chiefs. There's also another game Sakumbula where Marumo Gallants they drew against Sundowns 1-1. That will be another game where Sundowns will look to rectify some of the things that they didn't do well in that game by progressing to quarterfinals. Remember Sundowns, they were the finalists last season. Orlando Pirates also this coming weekend they will be looking to improve from what they did last season. Remember umdlalo sasubukela lapha ePolokwane City against Orlando Pirates. Magesi rather, where they beat Pirates by 3-2. Magesi went on to win Carling Knockout Cup. Nabo ke bane fixture Magesi this season. Well, namhlanje against Godin's coming in, it was Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.